Hello everyone, I'm Isamu Nagano. Today I'm going to talk about my research proposal. The theme is agriculture can be a key to cleaning the air. Let me talk about current issue. Global warming has been an issue on the planet, and there are a lot of factors for that. One of them is agriculture. Agriculture and livestock sectors is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emission. There are some problems. Actually, there are a lot of people who has work related to agriculture, such as farmers. They need to make a living and need to make a profit. So it is hard to convince them to change the habits. And also in the past, people who advocated the main cause of global issue is animal agriculture or killed by somebody. And I think developing lab-grown meat might be one of the solutions to reduce harmful gases. It is said that kind of meat needs 99% less land, 90% less water, and 45% less energy. So I hope this works. Now I think I need statistics and data on how growing livestock and agriculture has an impact on global warming. And there are also pros and cons of lab-grown meat. So I need to discuss those. Then importantly, I need to talk about how much money it costs for the change. My audience will be everyone. There are a lot of people who don't realize they are the causes of global warming, and there are also skeptics of global warming because there are so many misleading information. So my audience is like everyone, and purpose is to convince them to believe that we need to change dairy and agricultural habit. Maybe when I research this, I need to look at problems and information from different perspectives without bias. So I need to be neutral, and yes, I need to research with a neutral position. Thank you for listening.